too good. Don't fall for the games. Oh, he said, she said, don't think I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away, cause I think I might love you. Could be the Mary Jane or the spell that I'm under, but I know what this could be, tearing up my history for you. And I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get some of your love? And I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get some of your love? Been around the game, been around the fame, been around the money, been around some names, but the chick gon' still the same. Some things never change. Here's a tip, show me your friends, I show you the future, keep the change. And I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get some of your love?
Antonia, before I get to the judges, how do you think you performed overall tonight?
I believe I did exceptionally well.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Elaine McGlad.
Why? Antonia, what a way you take the night. What a way. Antonia, incredible. The first performance, great. Second performance, great. Like I see you growing and shining so bright at the right time. Wow, number one tonight. Yes, girl.
Anthony.
Yeah, I think that's a bit of an exaggeration. I am not as happy with the second performance. I think you're stuck in one mode. The second performance should have been something different. You're giving us one particular thing. I didn't like that so much.
Bad man.
Conroy.
Antonia, thank God you got options, and Anthony is not one of them. That was good. That was really good. That was nice. It was a fun night. It was your night. I agree 100%. Yeah. And I love the backup doing you there. It was really nice.
Thanks, judges.